Hello guys and welcome back in this new video. Today we are going to backtest a new trading strategy from the moving average 5-minute scalping strategy. I have never tested the strategy from him on this channel, so today we are going to know if his strategy is profitable or not. I remember you that if you want to try my software, you want more info about it, or you want to backtest your strategy, write me at the mail that I will leave in the description. Make sure you watch till the end to see the real results. Plus, I've got some exclusive bonus tips just for you. But now, let's see some example of this strategy. I will leave anyway the link of his video in the bio, in the description, so you can check it for the basic conditions. But I will explain to you by seeing some examples. So let's take a look at this one on the Euro USD. I'm going to backtest the strategy on this forex pairs on the 5-minute interval time frame. So let's take a look at this trade that my software took a token. So it was here. In order to open a long position, you have to check that there is a RSI divergence in the previous candle, and as you can clearly see, my software spotted it correctly. Then you have to check that the RSI on the last candle is above 50. Then you have to check that the last close is above EMA 200, and then you have to check that the EMA 20 is above EMA 50, that is above the EMA 200. Then the risk to reward ratio is 2, and your stop loss gap is the double of the length of the last candle. So, and as you can see, in this case, the trade was a success. But let's see another example. For example, this one at this date time on this forex pair was a long position. So it was here. As you can see, RSI divergence, the conditions on the EMA are matched, and then the RSI is above 50. So you can take a long position. Another criteria that he used is that you have to check that your take profit doesn't touch any of the last of the most recent high and support and resistance level on the hour time frame. How I spotted that? Let's take a look at the code. I tried to analyze the maximum, the support and resistance level on the 5-minute time frame, not 60, by making um, by multiplying the interval on which the high or low must be respected. So I choose 15 for the 15 would have been for the hour time frame, but by multiplying it for 12, I'm obtaining the hour maximum min by analyzing the 5-minute time frame, because in an hour there are 12 candles of 5 minutes. So in this way, I'm analyzing support and resistance on the hour time frame, and I guarantee you that are the same of the hour time frame, but calculated on the 5-minute time frame. And it tried to spot high and low on 2000 candle before the signal was generated. So I guarantee you is enough. Then let's take a look another example. For example, this one. So it was here. This one was a success, but the other one is here. As you can see, RSI divergence, RSI is matched, and then the EMA are matched, and the high and low on our time frame doesn't touch our take profit. So the strategy seems to be very profitable. Let's see the basic results on the trained asset. As you can see, the strategy is not profitable with commissions and without commissions. Only on these three forex pairs is profitable. But now let's try to improve the strategy. I have already downloaded all the trades my software have taken, so let's take a look. There are here. For the first criteria to improve the strategy, I tried to analyze if the strategy is more profitable, is more bullish or bearish, and I found that the average success rate for long position is higher than for short position. So maybe by filtering the trades with this criteria could improve the strategy, but the number of trades is very low, so I will not take into consideration this criteria due to the fact that our confidence interval would increase. So it's not a good idea. Then I tried to check for a DMP and DMN crossover in the last candles. I remember you that DMP and DMN are two sub-indicators of ADX, and in the past they showed that by analyzing that you can improve your strategy. In many strategy I use this criteria, so uh, it's very good. And in this case, by checking for at least one DMP and DMN crossover in the last 17 plus 1 candles, your average success rate would have increased. Same thing was noted for the short position. As you can see, the new average success rate is 37 and here was 40 here. So let's add this criteria to our strategy. So let's go here and let's add this line, and let's go here and let's add this line. Now let's run again the strategy and let's see how it performs. Okay, as you can see, the strategy would have been profitable without commissions and with commissions, but our confidence interval doesn't go past the average success rate to break even, so the strategy is profitable, but not statistically profitable. The other thing I noticed is that it was again profitable on these three forex pairs that were profitable with the basic conditions. So maybe the strategy works better on this forex pair. Then another thing that I want to add is analyzing how many success and fail there were in a row. And as you can see, there were 28 buy success. Sorry, not here, but uh, it is. Sorry, it was. I don't find them. Okay, here we have 5 success in a row and 9 fail in a row. Then uh, let's try to run the strategy on the test dataset and let's see how it performs. Remember that this strategy is not statistically profitable, but let's try anyway, and let's see if our average success rate is in the confidence interval. So let's go here and let's try on the test dataset and let's see how it performs. So, as you can see, the strategy would have been profitable with the commissions and without commissions, with an average success rate of 35, that it is in the confidence interval we have calculated before, so good. But again, this strategy doesn't perform really well, and yeah, it's not as profitable as it claimed. So, for today, it's all. I remember you that these are not financial advice and the strategy may not perform well in the future like it did in the past. I remember you that if you want to try my software or you want more info about it or you want to backtest your strategy, write me an email that I will leave in the description. Leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye!